everyone, welcome back. So I'm just going to apologise once for the lighting. I've got my studio lights on, but it's such a bright sunny yellowy day that the lighting is going to go a bit warm toned and it grinds my gears, and I absolutely hate when it goes yellow toned, but I can't help the sun. And it's actually such a lovely day, so I can't complain. Today I have a Primark haul, and it is my Primark haul for the month of May. So I ventured in, I think I had 2 trips to my local Primark for this particular haul, and I'm just going to get straight into it. Got my hair in a little bun just because it is very hot, and my little dress from Topshop, links below. Okay, so let's get started with these shoes. So these shoes I've had before from Primark. They look like this. These are just like espadrilles in faux leather, white with black toe caps, and I wore them to death. I think I had these like not last summer but the summer before. I remember wearing them in Zurich, and I think Jodes actually bought them for me back then because I couldn't find them in my local Primark. Saw them in my local Primark this year. The other ones, goodness knows what happened to those. So I was really happy to see them again, and these are £6. I got this top next. This was £12, and it's one of those hang on, have I undone this? Oh no, you can still kind of see what I'm going for here. It's a wrap top and it's white, and I'm sure you've all seen these kinds of tops on people before, and I have got a pale blue stripe one from New Look as well, and they have these ruffled like arriba sleeves, which I really enjoy, and they just tie up with a bow in like at the waist but to the side, and then yeah, I just absolutely love it. And yeah, £12 for this. This was with like the workwear stuff, and I was like, wow, like stylish businesswoman clothing. I think I would wear that with like black culottes maybe, or just like loose trousers. Oh yes, next up, this dress. This was £13, and I really like this. It is a blue stripy number, and it's tiered, and it's strappy like so, and then much like the dress I am wearing now. Where are you? It's Bardo as well, and we've got some little flute sleeves, because I am not one, I don't think I could have this dress if it weren't for these bits. I don't know, I'm so hung up about my arms, and I really don't know why, because they're just arms, but I just feel like I have to hide them. I don't know. Hopefully that summer we'll get over that. We'll see. But I just really like this dress, and I think they had this same style but in white with a floral pattern, but without the sleeves. It was just a strappy tiered swing dress. But I love this, and I love the colour. I think it's so like deck chair, like a beach deck chair. Like you could totally blend in. Oh, I've left the sunglasses in the other room. Rupert's now settled and asleep. I'm ready. I'm going to do an overlay clip. Here are my sunglasses. They were £2, and they are UV protection, and I love these. Like, everyone has the super skinny like sunglasses. I couldn't imagine myself wearing the dead skinny ones, because some people can pull them off, but I would just look like the mum in Coraline, or I would look like Jennifer Coolidge in A Cinderella Story coming out of the tanning, what are they called, tanning beds with the things. Like, it wouldn't look good. But these are like a bit bigger and cat eye, and I really like them for £2. It was worth the risk of appearing that way, but I really like them. I've noticed with me and going to Primark, I always buy one of 3 things: either cotton pads, hair grips, or combs. Today's cotton pads. They're just great because they're so big. These are the oval cosmetic pads, ideal for makeup removal and facial cleansing. There's 100 pads in there for 90p, and I love them so much. I just use it with micellar water, and they're great cotton pads. Wow. Yes. Hi, good boy. Next up, I got this play suit. Now, I think it's like a beach cover-up, but your girl can wear it on a night out, you know. This was £6, and they only had a few sizes, but luckily this one's fine. Cue bad lighting now. It is a V-neck, and it's quite a low one. It's quite like cleavage, with sleeves. It is tight in the middle, and then little sort of baggy shorts, and I just thought for £6 I can use it on a night out, or I can use it as a cover up, so it's a double whammy. And they also had it in white, but I feel like with the white one it was very, very see-through, so that one would only have the purpose of a beach cover up, or I don't know, if you're feeling daring. I love how the lady has packed everything in my bag. Okie dokie. So what have we here? This was £4 and I got one in black and I got one in white. Just your basic Bardo off the shoulder top. But yeah, £4. I was just like, gang, I've got to get this done. Although I do feel like the white one will be a nightmare for creasing, but they come in handy, don't they? I could just wear it with anything and everything. Oh my gosh, the white Bardo top with this. Are you ready? I absolutely love this next item. Like, I absolutely love them. £13. And they are these black plissé culottes with white polka dots. Like, I absolutely love these. Topshop definitely did some culottes like this a couple months back, and I missed out on those, but I just love these. And now I remember, I think on Topshop I've got plain black and sort of like a grey pair, and they're called awkward trousers, and they are awkward because they're just a strange length and they're baggy, but I absolutely love them. And like, you can just walk and you're just very floaty. You're one of those floaty summer ladies. So £13 for a new pair of plissé culottes, and I very much enjoy. And then similarly, I got this pair of just black elastic waisted. Yes, and those are elastic waisted as well. Yes. Again, culottes or awkward trousers, but they're just very like wide leg culottes. My only bugbear with those though is the material is like stretchy but clingy, so your top does really need to cover that, if you know what I'm saying. And then penultimately, I've got these shoes. How have we done this? I'm just not entirely sure. Okay, so they look like this. They're just like slide-ons, and they have a big materialed gingham bow. I thought they were really, really cute and really summery, and you could just slip those on and be done, and I just really like those. They had quite a variety of these types of slip-ons as well. But yeah, £6, pretty decent. Right, so this next one was £8. I absolutely love this, but I am definitely going to take this off. I'm like, can I get it off now? I had a conversation with the lady at the till, because I was like, number one, she was like, oh, what a lovely bag, and I was like, I absolutely love the bag, but I really don't like the yellow pom-poms on it, and then I was like, and my dog would probably like have a field day with this, and then she started telling me how her dog had just died, so I was trying to like console this woman. Anyway, I mean, oh, they make great earrings. Wow. Like, Rupert, do you want to play with this? Oh, you can't see him. I knew he would be loving it. What's this? Oh, he yawns. He's thinking about it. No, maybe we shouldn't choose string, huh? Oh my little baby boy. Anyway, back to the bag. I mean, as you know, we're seeing these basket bags absolutely everywhere. I had a couple last year and I'm still going to be using them this year. I saw this one in Primark, absolutely loved it. I'm not like, I mean, this is cute, but I'll probably hold it this way. I absolutely love how there's the hard ring holders. Ring holders? I don't know. The circle hard as a handle. Like, I absolutely love this, and it's a really good size and just says hello sunshine, which is cute, but actually maybe we'll chop and change. Will I have it this side? Will I have it this way? We just don't know. Could just see his tongue. And there we have it. That is my Primark haul for the month of May. Got some new lovely spring bits and I can't wait to wear them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!